Want to create music like a pro but don't have the right control over your beats and sounds? Welcome back. In part 3 of our series, we're checking out some amazing MIDI controllers that let you produce, mix, and control music with ease. From responsive keys to customizable pads and knobs, these devices give you full creative control inside your DAW. Stay till the end to find the perfect MIDI controller for your setup, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have Arturia MiniLab 3 MIDI controller. Create music your way with the MiniLab 3 keyboard controller designed to adapt seamlessly to your workflow, style, and creative process, giving you full control over instruments, track muting, and recording with an intuitive hands-on experience that replaces the need for constant mouse use, featuring responsive velocity-sensitive keys that capture every nuance of your performance for expressive sound production, along with 8 responsive drum pads for beat making and finger drumming, complemented by 4 smooth faders that allow precise adjustments during mixing and sound shaping, enabling a fluid and uninterrupted creative flow, easy to connect and ready to use for instant music creation, while offering access to fresh sounds and enhanced control for both beginners and experienced producers, making it a versatile and powerful tool for composing, recording, and performing music with greater creativity and efficiency. At number 2 we have M-Audio 88-key MIDI keyboard controller. Enter the world of unrestricted computer-based music creation and performance with the KeyStation 88 MK3 MIDI keyboard controller from M-Audio. KeyStation 88 MK3 is a full-featured, powerful MIDI controller engineered for sequencing music and playing virtual instruments on Mac or PC. At its heart is an all-new premium key delivering a superbly natural, player-centric response and 88 full-size velocity-sensitive keys that guarantee to faithfully capture every subtle nuance of your performance. KeyStation 88 MK3 comes loaded with pro-grade virtual instruments from leading developer Velvet and MiniGrand. Whatever your performance demands, the KeyStation 88 MK3's virtual instrument suite guarantees to meet all your expectations with immediate creative potential right out the box. KeyStation 88 MK3 includes Ableton Live Lite and MPC beats, so whether you're looking to record, sequence or enter an exciting world of beat making, this controller includes must-have industry-leading platforms to help you realize your creative vision. At number 3 we have Akai Professional Portable Music Production Center. The most powerful MPC to date, produce, record, mix and perform with no computer required, fully standalone. MPC Live 3 features an 8-core processor, expanded 8GB RAM, and MPC 3 OS for ultra-fast workflow and pro-grade sound design. Play with 3D sensing pads offering velocity, pressure and XY control for one-shot layers, seamless sample blending, note repeats and dynamic articulations unlocking the most musical MPC ever. Create Live with a 16-step sequencer with function buttons for electronic production, performance touch strip for real-time control and Live clip looping for improvisation and beat performance. Record anywhere with integrated mic, powerful stereo monitors for instant playback, rechargeable battery, plus 128GB internal storage expandable via SD or SSD for massive sample libraries. Lightning-fast 8-core processor with 8GB RAM, running MPC 3 OS load up to 32 plugin instances, 16 tracks, super time stretch, pro stems, enhanced CV playground, clip launching and more. At number 4 we have RØDE Pro 2 all-in-one production solution. The Rodecaster Pro 2 is the world's most powerful all-in-one audio solution for all types of creators including podcasters, gamers and streamers, musicians, and more. It offers studio-quality audio and revolutionary features for creators and professionals while being incredibly easy to use to minimize fuss and maximize creativity. It includes 4 combo inputs with ultra-low noise, high-gain Revolution preamps for recording with crystal-clear audio, as well as dual USB and Bluetooth channels for connecting to computer, smartphones, tablets and other devices. 8 fully customizable smart pads for triggering sounds, on-the-fly voice effects, MIDI commands and mixer actions, with 8 banks available for a total of 64 user actions available at the touch of a button. Studio-quality audio processing including the remodeled Aphex Oral Exciter, Big Bottom, and Compeller, a compressor, de-esser, high-pass filter, noise gate and EQ, allowing anyone to capture the magic of a professional studio. At number 5 we have Roland Keys 3 Music Creation Keyboard. Do you have a passion for music? Go Keys 3 makes it easy to go from being a fan to an active music creator. This fun modern 61-note keyboard with expressive touch sensitivity unlocks a simple new approach to making music, encouraging you to explore sounds and ideas in the moment, no previous experience required. Zen core engine with over 1,000 Roland sounds that have influenced modern music for 5 decades. Auto accompaniment with over 200 onboard music styles. chord sequencer with user editing features and over 300 ready-to-play presets. Play anywhere with built-in stereo speakers. Bluetooth audio/MIDI support for music streaming and song creation. USB audio/MIDI interface for working with music software on computers and mobile devices. USB memory WC1 port for backup, audio file playback, and the optional WC1 adapter for Roland Cloud Connect. At number 6 we have Akai Professional MIDI Controller. Complete command of Ableton Live seamlessly integrates with Ableton Live v9.1.3 Plus, providing hands-on control of Ableton's clip matrix, mixer parameters, virtual instruments, effects, and more. Create, jam, produce trigger clips, loops and samples using a 5x8 clip launch matrix with RGB feedback for clip status and color coding. Essential control take command of DAW parameters, virtual instruments, and effects with 9-channel faders, 8 control knobs, and 8 device controls that seamlessly map with Ableton Live. Intelligently designed assignable crossfader conveniently located assignable AB crossfader for dynamic DJ-style mixing on the fly. Unparalleled control for lighting design. Use the robust faders and buttons to dynamically adjust lighting cues and effects, transforming any performance space into a captivating visual experience. A versatile MIDI controller with hassle-free setup, USB-powered plug-and-play connectivity for Mac and PC. At number 7 we have RockJam 25-key MIDI keyboard controller. Create music anywhere with this compact MIDI keyboard featuring 25 mini velocity-sensitive keys that deliver responsive performance for synth leads, bass lines, and more, making it perfect for beginners and producers on the go. Equipped with 8 backlit MPC-style drum pads with note repeat and 8 fully assignable 360 degrees control knobs for complete hands-on sound shaping. Designed with a built-in rechargeable battery and wireless Bluetooth MIDI connectivity so you can play without cables anytime and anywhere. Enhanced by a clear OLED display that provides real-time feedback on modes, velocity, and control values, along with a 4-way joystick for precise pitch and modulation control, offering seamless plug-and-play integration with popular DAWs like GarageBand, FL Studio, Logic Pro X, MPC Beats, and Ableton Live, making it a versatile and powerful tool for music production, performance, and creative experimentation. At number 8 we have Novation 61-key MIDI keyboard controller. The Creative Controller Launch Key is an all-in-one DAW controller with premium keybeds and 16 responsive FSR pads for drumming, clip launching, and more. Seamless DAW integration. Launch Key works with all major DAWs, offering intuitive workflows for Ableton Live, Logic, Cubase, Reason, Reaper Florida Studio, and Arturia. Go beyond finger drumming. Launch Key's FSR drum pads with polyphonic aftertouch also serve as step sequencers, clip launchers, chord triggers, and more. Everything in the box. Ableton Live Lite, Cubase, Novation Play, sounds from GeForce, Clev Grand, orchestral tools, native instruments, and free melodics lessons. Powerful creative tools. Never hit a wrong note with scale mode, trigger lush chords from a single key or drum pad, and create and mutate wild arpeggios. NKS Ready Launch Key now works seamlessly with native instrument software, giving you hands-on control via native control standard. At number 9 we have Akai Professional USB MIDI Keyboard Controller. A dynamic 37-key MPK MIDI keyboard for 3 full octaves of melodic and harmonic performance. Easily connect to your DAW or studio equipment with the USB-powered MIDI controller. Akai Professional and Native Instruments have partnered to bring NKS support to the MPK controller series. Get ready to control straight from your MPK. Browse and control Native Instruments presets and sound libraries. Select one of 3 curated complete 15 select bundles, beats, band, or electronic. Connect to your production station and use the built-in 64-step sequencer featuring 1 track for drums and 1 for melodies or chords, with up to 8 notes each. Transport section for intuitive hardware control of your DAW arm and start recordings, stop playback, rewind or fast forward for easy navigation of large sessions and projects. 8 premium RGB MPC pads with responsive feel and durable construction for dynamic performance and music creation. Use the chords and scales modes to simplify and enhance your performance. At number 10 we have Arturia 49-key USB MIDI keyboard controller. New creative features, scale mode, chord mode, and arpeggiator, making composition, songwriting, and beat making more intuitive than ever. Custom DAW integration. KeyLab Essential 3 features custom scripts for deeper control over DAWs, including Ableton Live, Logic Pro X, FL Studio, and more. More versatile presets. The 2000 presets included with Analog Lab V are no longer limited to vintage sounds. Users can enjoy unique hybrids, modern synths, orchestral sounds, and more. easier controls and interface, RGB backlit pads with velocity and pressure sensitivity, contextual button, and a bright new 2.5 LCD screen for real-time feedback. Expanded software package for beginners and pros, now includes Analog Lab V, 2 pianos, UV Model D, Knees the Gentleman, plus subscriptions to Loop Cloud and Melodics.